today, I'll teach you on how to remove this background even if you don't have Canva Premium account. So for example, this is the image that you want to remove the background. But since kailangan kay Canva ay naka-premium account ka to do this. So if you don't have Canva Premium account, just go to remove.bg. By the way, this is free of charge. Hit upload image, select the image that you want to remove the background, and wait for a second. As you can see, naging transparent na siya, and hit download. So once done, just go back to Canva, click upload, select upload files, and then click the image, open, and then wait for Canva to download. Drag it to the image, and then that's it. So maggawa tayo ng sample. So mag-a-attach ako ng image dito. So set natin tong castle as background niya. So, ayan. As you can see, transparent na talaga siya. I hope this helps. Follow for more!